very good evening and welcome to BCN News. Our top story tonight, Niueans will be heading to the polls in May this year. The announcement was made during the first Fono Ekepule sitting for the year, which was held yesterday. The Premier, Sir Toke Talangi, who was expected to announce the date of the general elections, did not confirm an actual date. However, he only said that it will be held in May. The Premier says that he will announce the actual day after consulting with government lawyers. On the order paper were several questions from the Common Roll members around health and education. The official name for the disease caused by the new coronavirus is COVID 2019. This announcement by the World Health Organization comes after the death toll from the virus passed 1,000, with tens of thousands of people being infected. Researchers have been calling for an official name to avoid confusion and stigmatization. The word coronavirus refers to the group of viruses it belongs to rather than the latest strain. There are now more than 42,200 confirmed cases across China. The number of deaths have overtaken that of the SARS epidemic in 2003. Earlier this week, 103 died in Hubei province alone, a daily record, and the national death toll is now 1,016. Over 300 students of Niue Primary School have taken on a new challenge, reading for the next 100 nights. 100 Nights of Reading is a new school-wide program introduced by the primary school. Mele Yates, who is the HOD for the senior school, which are classes in years 4 to 6, says that they have noticed students are only reading at school, but they want them to continue to read at home.
Okay, at the start of the year on our first staff meeting, the teachers just decided that it would be a great idea to launch a 100-night reading challenge. Last year I trialled it in my classroom and I found that some kids really struggled to keep up with the reading regularly. So we talked about that and we were looking at our reading data and we thought if we could get them reading every night, we looked forward to seeing some improved reading results. I think for every school, just thinking about all the schools that I've been in, children struggle with reading. It's a really challenging skill to master, especially with learning the meaning of the words. Vocabulary is the biggest challenge, I think, because you'll find that you have students who can read the words, but they lose the understanding of the text because they don't know the meaning of the words that they're reading. So at our school, we're always trying to lift the data to improve the results. So I think for us this year, we really wanted to push the reading, and we're expecting that from the reading levels and the comprehension improving, that it'll feed through all their other subjects.
The school is also optimistic of the success of this reading program because there are quite a few community reading programs in the villages. Children can read both Niuean and English books.
I think there's something special and nostalgic about reading a book that children still love it. They're still drawn to that. I definitely think that homes are really busy these days and parents are very time poor. So I think it's a struggle trying to manage their work life, their home life, and fitting in all of the extra things like home reading.
Parents are encouraged to listen to their children read. The end goal of the program is to see the children enjoy reading, which will improve their overall learning experience.
I just want to encourage the parents to keep reading. I found that in my classroom alone, the students are really excited about it. Their confidence has increased. We are also looking at launching like a competition where parents can upload photos of their children reading at home, and we are still working out prizes and just other ways we can encourage that interaction between home and school.
And that's BCN News for tonight. Thank you for joining us. Do join us same time next Monday. Until then, have a safe weekend.